How do we build trust with our technical teams, essentially, to fill up with doing the work so we can then be a bit more strategic?
Yeah. As I said earlier on, people need to know what is it you want? What do you want done? What
Yeah,
actually is the result that you want? And how do you want it? And what I see, like, in a huge way, and as you said, we were discussing a lovely couple of people this morning
yeah,
who are struggling with this, and they're not there because they're not clear about those exact points. What does good look like?
yeah,
Is that, now I'm going to make myself look silly now. I don't know, getting my help desk tickets down to 12 when I've
yeah,
got
yeah,
400
yeah,
of them or whatever. What does good actually look like? What do I want them to actually get done? And how do I want them to do it? Which is in the style of my MSP with my values and vision or whatever it is, and being nice to my customers or whatever the way is. Yeah. And until they have a clarity around that and are motivated to do that, you can't trust them. Okay. And that's when I mentioned earlier on about, oh, we're blaming our team for not being any good. But if we were to take that step back and say, am I being the manager at the moment? What should I be helping them with? How do I enable somebody to achieve?
mhm,
It is, have I been clear about what I'm looking for? Do they want to be in the room with me? Yeah. Like,
yeah,
or in my
yeah,
building with me.
yeah, exactly.
Am I helping them or hindering them? Yeah. So I need make sure that they know what it is they're meant to achieve. Make sure they've got the skills and the tools to do the job, and that they want to be in the room to do that job or on their screen or whatever they want. Okay. And if we can't answer yes to those things, then how do we even expect them? We can't blame them for not doing the thing. So we have to set that up. But what we see so often is, oh, I haven't got time for that. So we have a short term thinking of, I don't have time, it's quicker and it's easier to do it myself.
Yeah,
And that's why we have to step out of it. We have to step away from that and say, unless it is super emergency, I might have to have a little bit of pain to have all of the gain. And this is a massive mindset shift for people because, like today, we're talking about we've got to do the vision and the values. We've got to do our KPIs. We've got to set up that we're not having one-to-ones. And it's, if you're not having any of that, you're not actually helping that person to succeed, and then you're going to blame them for being absolutely useless. And so you have to step back and take that pain and do a bit of work that shows that you know what it is you want of people and you're willing to let them get on with it.